Today we're changing the engine air filter in a Volkswagen MK7 Golf. Alright, what you're going to hear is a bunch of buzzing and stuff like that. It's the servos or whatever going on and off because my key for the car is here telling it that I'm here and it's getting ready to do whatever it does, start up or unlock the doors or whatever. But that's that little beep noise that you're going to hear and the clunk. Well, that's what that is. So this is the driver's side of the car in the United States anyway. And this is the air filter. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. We're going, and this clamp. To properly take it off, it's all 8 of those screws and this clamp. However, we rarely do things properly here. We're going to try to take these screws out just in the box here and then kind of pull it up and then pull the air filter directly out. If you'll notice the shape of these screws, it's not a Phillips head, it's not an Allen key. It is a Torx bit. This is an S2 Torx bit. So I'm using it on the bit goes into a 1/4 inch socket and then on my screwdriver thing, but you could just as easily use a ratchet. So we're gonna pull these screws out. If you don't know how to pull a screw out, probably don't need to be doing this. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull them out and then show you later me trying to jiggle that air filter out of there. Just so you know, these screws seem to be retained inside the upper box. So once you loosen them, I don't think you have to worry about capturing them. So there are 10 screws, 2 of which are by the actual hose connection. Just found that out, and they are both captured also. So just got to lift it up, slide out your air filter. And while this one's not terrible bad, definitely could be replaced. Yeah, dealership failed to let me know. While he told me the cabin filter that they want to charge me $95 to replace, they didn't bother telling me about the air filter. So this is something you need to check on your own occasionally. I think these are every 50,000 miles. I have no idea. Check your manual or whatever. But this is the air filter. We'll go get the correct one and slide it in. So just so you're aware, I'm using Wix filters. They're not obviously Volkswagen brand. They are much cheaper. They are a couple of bucks cheaper than the MicroGuard or whatever you'll get at O'Reilly's or whatever the AutoZone one is, but you know, $3 or $4 is better than 15 or 20 bucks more. I don't know if it matters or not, but you're looking at the model number that I am using. Actually, unbox your, well, I should have done an unboxing video, huh? Unbox your air filter, what she looks like. I'm trying not to do this and not knock over the camera. I usually stick a shop vac in there and suck stuff out, but it's kind of meaningless. I know real mechanics would have an issue, but it's nice and seated down there. Make sure it's all the way seated all the way around. Go back and tighten down all your screws. So make sure that you've counted your 8 tightenings. Visually inspect that you've got all 8 tightened up and that they're good and tight. I don't know what the torque spec is, I don't really care. Just make sure that that is tightened down enough so that the gasket seals up, because you don't want to draw any dirt in past the air filter. So that's pretty much it. Volkswagen Mark 7 Golf and all its variants, air filter, engine air filter change. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share.